很高峰 ，climbing the high peak。
哦，那一条马，那条楼呢？有个长期的台子。
那不就是朦胧胧上面吗？
哪了？
那不就是懵懂懂上面不是个台子？My father is trying to find where he used to live. It was 50 years ago, and he already lost his direction.
哎呀，可这老房子都不在了，就是住的这房子。
在。
哦，就是这些房
没
子。
人住的吧？哎，你问人家这。
那西方是可多的。就是这房子差不多。那个门洞都不在了。
哦，就是那个毛道道不在了。
我记得食堂是在这面。
She's very kind. She's going to show my father have some
这边就是炸黑园。
some
哦，我
clue.
就是发现可像这个院儿。
就炸黑园。
哦，我就觉得可像这个院儿了。
哦，这是。
就是这个园儿。
啊，以前俺的楼
没人了。
没让了。
哦。
看底下的啊。
就是呢。
你就是。
是哪个家来？记得。
这里一套，里头。
There's an important landmark building over there. So after finding that landmark, my father gets all his direction back. And now he is heading to the cafeteria, dining hall, in a big courtyard. All of them are eating together in a big courtyard. Is 不是啊？拉的忘了。My father just said over 200 people were eating here. This is the landmark building. It's still as same as 50 years ago. In this village is a 200 years old elm tree. It's a magic tree. A lot of people make wishes here. Finally, my father find where he used to live, but it's locked. The old house still there.
奶那里就租的铁道表嘛。
是吧？哦。
奶那说奶有伴的，租了6个妈1个爸。
哦，这有点租过铁道兵了。
奶那里连校不是。
哦。他们在这闹了铁轨了。
After a few months, my father moved to this place from that village with other hundreds of construction workers, fellows. There was no room to live. They stayed in a stable house. And every morning, they just carry their tools across this road to the other side, about 2 kilometers away, to work on the railway site. Now this is the railway line, in Chinese, 金源线, from a small city Yuanping to Beijing. This is the section my father used to work on with hundreds of other young people.
10米高那么低了，这都是一条条地一筐一筐接起来。开火车的。
啥是一桥一桥叠起来的？
这一切都在高粱地里来的，这就是堆起来的嘛，堆起来拿炕扎起来。
So they used to dig the ground there and use the mud earth to build this foundation of the railways. And use very heavy stones to tamp down the foundation and build the railways. You remember this is the hard days in building this section. They say 大干60天 means hard work for 60 days. They left where they live in the morning, 5 o'clock, and came back at 9 o'clock p.m. Whole day's work. It's a long, long, long day. It's pretty though. The railway is still in service. And my father just said the ground level used to be the same. So they moved the earth from here, bring them up to that part, and to build that terrace for railways. At 7 p.m., food would be delivered to this construction site, but everybody already fell asleep